Question number second, find the area enclosed between the curve x square plus y square equal 2 and x equal y square. The equation of given curve. X square plus y square equal 2 and x equal y square. Solve both these equations. We have x square plus x equal 2 now put value of y square, which is x, in first and get this equation. We have x square plus x minus 2 equal 0. Then it is x square plus 2x minus 2 equal 0. Then value of x is minus 2 comma 1 and value of y is plus minus 1. Means both these curves intersect each other at 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. First curve is a circle of center 0 comma 0 and radius root 2. Center 0 comma 0 and radius root 2. And second curve is a y square equal 4ax, means right-handed parabola. Then sketch the diagram of both these curves. We have x square plus y square equal 2. Center is origin. It is x square plus y square equal 2. Center is origin and radius is root 2 comma 0. And this point is root 2 comma 0. It is also minus root 2 comma 0. And parabola is y square equal x, means it is parabola, and we have to find this region and this region. Region E1 is formed by the curve y square equal x and region A2 is formed by the curve circle x square plus y square equal 2. Now area bounded by circle and curve y equal x square, which is a parabola. Circle x square plus y square equal 2 is 2 times. For A1 region we have limit. The intersection point of both this curve is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. Then this point is 1 comma 0, means that it is n1. N point is 1 comma 0. It is O, it is A and P, and this point is C. Now twice for region A1 we have lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, 0 to 1. Curve is y1. Curve is parabola, means value of y is root x dx. And for curve A2 we have limit, lower limit is 1, upper limit is root 2, 1 to root 2. Value of y is 2 minus x square which is a circle dx. Now integration of root x is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 0 to 1, and integration of it is 2 minus x square, means it is root a square minus x square is x by 2, integration of root a square minus x square is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Then apply the same formula. We have root 2 square minus x square means x by 2 x by 2 square root a square minus x square means root 2 square, which is 2 minus x square, plus a square by 2 means root 2 square, which is 2 by 2 sin inverse x by a. Value of a is root 2 and limit 1 to root 2. Now apply upper limit, lower limit. We have 2 into 2 by 3 1 minus 0 plus 2. Put upper limit, we have root 2 by 2 2 minus root 2 square, which is 2, this time is 0, minus 1 by 2 x equal 1 and 2 minus 1, which is 1, plus 2 by 2 is 1 sin inverse x is root 2, is root 2 by root 2, minus lower limit, then we have 4 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 plus 2 into sin inverse 1, which is pi by 2, minus sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 4 means 2 into pi by 4. 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3. 2 into pi by 2 is pi. Pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. And we have it is answer.